In the last episode, we discussed about homophones. Now, we are going to discuss about homonyms and homographs. Homonyms. Homonyms are words that sound alike but have different meanings. Homophones are a type of homonym that also sound alike but have different meanings and different spellings. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings. So let's go to some examples. Address. Please address yourself. Give me your address to send this book. Band. The Beatles is my favorite musical band. Is this your hairband? Bark. Bark of a tree. The dog is barking. Bat. Cricket bat. Tennis bat. Bat is a mammal. Bright. He is very bright. That bulb is too bright for me. Homonymic words are both spelled and pronounced same way, whereas homographic words are spelled the same way, may or may not pronounced alike. The following words have two different meanings: content or contents. Just. Light. Rock. Minute or minute. To know the meanings, check the description box. Just see the meanings of close in this sentence. They were too close to the door to close it.